Alright, caliper test. Caliper, right here, this is the Adams side caliper. The chemical side caliper. Identical, kind of, they're both dirty, how that goes. And we also do a little fender. We'll do the wheel well. So, alright, miss mode. There. Boom. It's almost done here. We'll see. We'll come back to that. All right, chemical guys, spraying it up. Okay. All right, we're brushing it up. Chemical guys does require to brush it, unlike Adams. We'll go side-by-side comparison. We'll put side-by-side comparison. And scrub over here was just spray, and that's it. I didn't scrub on this side, which I know a lot of you guys are gonna be, well, you should have scrubbed it. Well, they recommended no scrubbing, so no scrubbing, less work compared to chemical side. They do recommend scrubbing, but I mean, for not scrubbing, you want to scrub it?
Scrub it.
Yeah, more?
No, that's it.
That's it.
Scrub it.
Let's see. We'll put just on the spray. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh, doing good.
Put some on this too.
You guys already started, right? Or like, are you already doing this? No, everyone on Monday. I'm going on video.
All right, let's scrub it. For test, to the test right now. Caliper, rotor, fender well, chemical gas side, rotor, caliper, fender well. Boom. You can see the green really pops out, the black as well. This side as well, the green pops out, the black. I mean, they're I don't know, it's really good. Fender well, we'll see once it dries up how it looks. There you guys have it. We have our chemical guys and Adams going head to head, going strong. Both of them did amazing on, you know, on the rims, on the tires, on the car, on the carbon fiber, on the calipers, rotors, and the fender well, and both of them did amazing. You guys let me know, what do you guys think? The Adams or chemical guys took it all, so, or which one, you know, let me know. Comment below which one do you think was better. Both products did amazing, both of them representing really well. Both have different types of products and all kinds. This is just a portion of what these guys have to offer. Adams having all kinds of product, from waxes, detailing, leather cleaner, all kinds of stuff, and also chemical guys having all kinds of product and stuff. And man, it is amazing. It is great. I mean, both of them did well, as you guys can see on the video. Yeah, so you guys have it. Let me know which one, what do you think is best, you know, chemical guys or Adams? Let me know. Alright guys, so make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that little chingadera bell on the side of the subscribe button to get those notifications for the next upcoming videos. The next video will be the touchless wash. Right now, half of the car will be Adams, will be washed by Adams. The other half will be chemical guys. And then next week will be the touchless wash. The foam cannon using Adams, and the foam cannon using Chemical guys and see what does best. Hit that subscribe button and that little chingadero bell in the side. So alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Have a blissful day and I'll see you on the next one.